In 2025, smart students are not just waiting for allowance, they are turning their WhatsApp into a personal ATM. And here are 5 proven systems that you can copy right now if you have a smartphone and you have WhatsApp installed in that phone. Back then in uni, I used to think making major money as a student meant owning a big establishment, perhaps a business center, a shop, a studio, a hair salon, or even having a side gig. Not until I met 2 ladies who were barely 23, but we are cashing out mad with just this application, which is WhatsApp. Like these are young girls, but they use their WhatsApp well. They use this to sell. First, the first lady was selling gadgets. She was selling things like props, content creation gadgets, like ring light, microphone, LED light, tripod stand, and the rest. Like I myself, I patronized her. And this girl was raking in thousands of naira monthly because she was living the life. She was buying gadgets. If you see her room, well furnished. She was sending money back home. Then the other lady, she was basically revamping hers. She was basically using WhatsApp as a tool to make money, even as a student. She was also teaching students how to revamp hair, how to color hair. So this her skill. She monetized it using WhatsApp, amongst other services that she offered back then in school. And at such young age, these girls were comfortable. They could afford the basic things of life. They could get whatever they wanted, hairs, gadgets, clothes, and they could travel whenever they wanted to travel without relying on anyone, without relying on allowance from parents. They were just comfortable. All because they leveraged what they had, which was their skill, their smartphone, and an application in their phone, which was WhatsApp. This video, I'm going to show you what they, amongst other students, are doing to get consistent money without sacrificing their studies. Here's the secret. WhatsApp in 2025 is no longer just a chat app. It is a full-blown sales platform with status updates, catalogs, broadcast lists, and even quick replies. And the best part, you are not fighting algorithms like Instagram or TikTok. Your audience already checks WhatsApp every day. So if you learn how to position the right offers in front of the right people, you can turn your phone into an instant cash register. And as a student who is using WhatsApp to sell, in a school, you have a greater advantage because now if people are in a particular location, so you can easily sell to this particular person and the person will refer his or her friend or her classmate, to you. And when the person refers the person to you, the person will, in turn, the person she referred will come and patronize you with ease because people are in the same location. There's no need to start planning for how to deliver it to the person. There's no need for interstate delivery because people share almost the same location. Another advantage you have as a student is that you are selling to people who already know you in person or through mutual friends. So it makes it easier for them to buy without hesitation. So you can leverage your classmates, your friends, your lodge mates, talk to them about your business, and they will easily patronize you without you stressing, without you running ads, because these are community of people who needs what you are selling. Now, if as a student you're tired of relying on allowances and you desperately need to start making money online using WhatsApp and your smartphone, then I have something for you. The WhatsApp Sales Growth Bundle. You can check it out in the description box below or the first pinned comment. This is a bundle that has 10 plus resources and tools that will help you increase your audience on WhatsApp. Then make those audience to engage with your status updates and also convert these status viewers to paying customers, convert them to buying customers. It will help you sell with confidence. It will help you sell with clarity, with structure, and also consistently pack money on WhatsApp. So if you're interested, check the description box below or the first pinned comment. The first student WhatsApp money system on my list is the status storefront. Now picture this in your head. Have you ever thought of going to meet a store owner and telling the person to please give you a small space where you can use a show glass perhaps to put some products that you are selling? It could be hair care products, it could be skincare products, just for the person to give you a space so that students, when they are passing, they can easily see your products and buy from them. And then the person will not tell you to pay a certain amount of money monthly for that space. And you also have to come there maybe every other evening to check up on your products to see if you made any sales, or you can hand that responsibility over to the store owner and tell him or her to take inventory of your products and services and the sales you make. Now, you are giving that person an extra work, and that person might charge you also for that extra work. Also, you might be scared, you might be skeptical about how the person will handle your products or manage the business for you. Definitely, the person will not handle that business the way you would have handled it as the owner of that particular business. This is where this particular system comes in place, which is using your WhatsApp as a storefront. WhatsApp already has these free features that you can use. It has catalog. Catalog is just like your shelf, your physical shelf. But in this case, it is a digital shelf. So it is there. You just arrange your pictures and your product prices and description. So you go to the catalog there, put the product, the picture of the product, as many as you want, up to three, four. You put the product, the picture of your product, add the price, add the description in your catalog, arrange it well. You can add as many product pictures, prices, and description as you want. You can use quick replies so that once someone sends a particular word, a message will be sent to the person automatically. You can use labels, you can use automated greetings, away messages to your advantage. You can even use broadcast lists to sell out. So this is like your own free Shopify that you are using to make money as a student. And instead of going to a physical store and disturbing the shop owner and spending money by paying a monthly token to reserve that space, how about you do it with your phone? Have your own mobile shop so that wherever you are going to, even if you're in class or you're in your room and a message comes in and a customer wants to get your product, you can easily go online and see what is going on there because you are literally carrying your shop in your hands. No need for you to start trekking the distance to go to the shop to go and check how far, to go and see if your product is selling out. You are literally holding your shop in your hand, which is your mobile device and your WhatsApp. So how about take advantage of that as a student? Okay? So ensure that you're using your WhatsApp status to post about your products amongst other contents, not just your product pictures. This is one of the things I preach against, which is posting just your product pictures. I have a video that you can watch to learn the 10 types, different types of content that you can post to attract sales on WhatsApp as someone that is selling physical products or any other product at all. The second student WhatsApp money system is the affiliate connectors. Now, as a student, I don't want you to watch this video and still be complaining of being broke. No. How about you go out there, look for people that are selling physical products and decide to be affiliates for them? Now, this is you being not just a smart student, but a hardworking student. You go out there, look for people that are selling things like perfumes, hair care products, skincare products, things that students always patronize. Go to them, talk to them, tell them that how about I snap pictures, take pictures of your products and start posting them on WhatsApp. So whenever I sell out, whenever someone comes, asks me about your products, makes inquiry, and eventually buys, I'll get a commission. I'll get a percentage. So you can even be the person that will go out there, go to the person's shop, collect the product, and deliver it to your customer. So now what you have to do is to grow your audience on WhatsApp. And that is what the WhatsApp Sales Growth Bundle can help you do. Grow your audience on WhatsApp. Or you can watch the video I recently created about how to increase your WhatsApp audience. Check the link in the description box below. Go and grow your audience on WhatsApp. Grow it and then go and meet these shop owners. Help them sell their products. They'll give you commission. You can imagine in a month if you sell out 50 pieces of a particular product and you get 10% commission or even 30% commission on each sale. Or let's not be greedy here, 10% commission or 5% commission. It is something. Little drops make an ocean than for you to stay idle without making any money and you're just relying on allowance. Or you can even go to affiliate platforms like Expertnia, StakeCut, and promote digital products there as an affiliate and get paid commission. Now ensure that you pick high demand, easy to deliver products. That is products that students are going to buy with ease. They're always requesting for it. It is in high demand. Things like skincare products, things like small electronics, things like gadgets, content creation tools, microphones, tripod, LED lights. Now, the third student WhatsApp money system is WhatsApp Services Hub. Here, you have to sell services that students need. It could be typing, tutoring, graphic design, social media management, CV writing, etc. Now, when you're in a student environment, you agree with me that students must type. They must type the assignments, they must type their school project. So this is a high demand skill, which is typing. This is a skill you can learn and start using to make money as a student. Hairdressing, students must make their hair. They must look good. Barbing, students must look good. The guys, they must cut their hair. So if you learn these skills and offer them as a service, you will definitely make money as a student. Tutoring, students will always want to go for knowledge. They want to pay for knowledge because maybe they are not understanding what the lecturer is saying in class, or they feel that if they pay for extra classes and lessons, they will get it more. You can offer that to year one students, year two students, teach them what they need to know. It could be teaching them skills, it could be teaching them their courses, what they already study in school. Remember to market your skills via the status, catalog, and even in groups, that's communities and all. The fourth money system is the sale of digital products. Now you can create or resell ebooks, templates, guides, or online courses, then deliver them instantly via WhatsApp. So what do I mean? This is you creating products in digital forms such as ebooks, courses, templates, checklists, and giving it out set for a token. Like you give it to people and they pay you. So you have to look for what is in high demand, what students want, what informations do they need, what transformation do they need. Then create it, package it as a digital product and sell it out. Now, if you're observant, you can look around to find out problems that students have, problem they're suffering from, and then create a solution, package it as a digital product, and give them. The fifth one is WhatsApp community monetization. That community feature on WhatsApp, you can use it, or even use WhatsApp group if you want. So what does this mean? This is like you building a WhatsApp community for a particular niche. For example, it could be for exam preparation, it could be for hair and beauty tips. This will be enticing to the ladies who want to look good. They would like to join such groups. Or for crypto insights, for the men that want to make money as a student, they want to, buy coins and all that, they can join groups like this. And then you can monetize it via subscriptions, ads, or product sales. So what does this mean? Subscription meaning that they'll subscribe every month. It could be with 1,000 naira. They'll pay you 1,000 naira to continue, so that they will continue to be members, to retain their membership. Then for ads, when you know that you've grown a large audience, you have thousands of contacts, you can start selling ads. Like they can now come and advertise on your WhatsApp status with a little token. So when you run ads, this will favor business owners in the sense that they will give you money so that they will now run ads on your platform and get more customers. And you in turn will get more money in your pocket. You can even sell your own products inside that group. You see, you've used one stone to kill two or three birds. Now, if you're a smart student, you can go ahead to create a jam prep group, you know, for individuals who want to take jam. So they can go ahead, pay you a little token, which could be like 1,000 naira, and join that group so that you people prepare for jam together. Now ensure that you give consistent and valuable content so that members will gladly and willingly renew. But if they see that you are not giving any value, they will not renew their subscription. They will leave you to your group. Your group will just be deserted, okay? So ensure that you're giving value. So let me quickly give you a step-by-step blueprint that you can follow to start earning as soon as possible using WhatsApp. First of all is to pick your offer. Now go for high demand products. What is in high demand? What are students always looking for? What are they always paying for? Go for such products. You can go ahead to ask 10 to 15 of your friends what they will likely buy this week or what they hope to buy subsequently to find out what is in high demand. Now, after running that survey, pick the winner, the most picked product. You can now start selling it. Now, the thing is, ensure that you are selling high demand if you want to make money consistently. Don't go and be selling things that students don't want. It could be thrift wares, affordable gadgets. It could be baked goods, that's pastries. Ah, this is food. Students will definitely want to snack on something during break period. They'll definitely want to buy something, buy things that they'll eat. So consider that too after running your own research. It could be academic services, it could be digital products. Secondly, if you're using ordinary WhatsApp, please upgrade to WhatsApp Business. Go there, put a clear profile picture, add your name, a professional name or your full name, add your description, use the free features there, which are catalogs, away messages, greetings. Thirdly, build trust like a friend. There are so many ways you can do this, but I want to make this clear, which is by posting your product pictures, make them clear. Also, post content that will humanize your brand. Also, make them like you, know you, and trust you. All these have been talked about in my other videos. Go there and check them out. Fourthly, use broadcast lists strategically. Now, you're not sending it to a group, but you're sending it out at the same time, and many people are receiving it at the same time. So it's just like an email list, but it's just that here it is personalized because it is WhatsApp. And people will get and read the message faster, unlike emails, because some people hardly check their emails. The fifth one is for you to track, improve, and reward. So keep a simple spreadsheet or notebook of who bought, what they bought, when they last bought. When you track your customers, you can easily follow up with them and they'll feel cared for. They'll feel like, yes, you care for me, and they'll easily come back as repeat customers and they'll easily spread the word that you are the best, that you are reliable because you showed, because you kept track. When you track, you are easily fetching data that you can use to improve your content, to improve your sales. And you also know people that you easily, show your exclusive offers to. You easily notify about your flash sales. Now, I have seen students pulling 20,000, 50,000, and even 100,000 naira a month from their hostel rooms, from their lodges, because they used WhatsApp, which is free. And that is pure profit for them because there's no expensive ads, no complicated technology, just their phone, data, and consistency. If you want to skip trial and error, I have put together my WhatsApp sales growth bundle, which has in it 10 plus tools and resources that will show you how to set up, grow, and sell on WhatsApp like a professional from the first day. This year belongs to people who take action, and your phone can either keep you entertained or pay your bills. The smart students have already chosen. Which side are you on? Can you tell me your key takeaway in the comment section? And don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're all about making money online using WhatsApp. Till I see you in my next video. Take care.